Hello and welcome to KJC Radio Jacksonville 92.78 FM, or if you're on your TV, KJC 57. Alright, so in the news today, a few kids do a TikTok at a police station and they got arrested, believe it or not. I mean, they were 16, but what? I don't know.
Hello. Today you will meet your demise.
Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. Numerous 911 calls have been made regarding an excruciatingly painful sound coming out of electronic devices, mainly mobile phones. This sound has also been found to kill some people, notably a radio talker on KJC Radio earlier today. Residents in the Jacksonville metropolitan area should turn off all mobile phones at this time, and do not answer any calls, no matter what is. If you hear a sound similar to a dog whistle, run as far as you can from the sound. More information will be provided later. Do not check local media. Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. Numerous 911 calls.
This message is being broadcast in a way that blocks out the signal transmitting the dangerous sound, as an emergency broadcast intercepted that signal and killed thousands of people. In addition, this sound has been reported all across Florida, and in some parts of Georgia too. Other devices such as computers, televisions, radios and gaming consoles have been reported to play this sound. You are being asked to shut off all mobile phones and computers, and turn all radios to station 67.1 FM and all televisions to the emergency alert system details channel for your safety. Apple, Samsung, LG, HTC, Microsoft, Nintendo, HP, Sony and Nokia are issuing a product recall for all their major product lines. This includes the Macintosh, Chromebook and Nintendo Switch product lines. All electronic sales are being discontinued until further notice. For more information, go to www.fema.gov. The following is a civil danger warning. Do not turn your device off. For your safety, remain on this station as it will block out the signal transmitting the dangerous noise similar to a dog whistle that can kill within seconds of being heard. Make sure you have all electronic devices turned off, besides your television or radio, so you can listen for emergency updates. The CIA has been called in to try and trace the signal back to its source, and they are close to finding it. Remain indoors at this time, with all electronics such as phones, computers, gaming consoles and tablets turned off. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.
following message is transmitted at the request of the CIA and the Florida State Police. The man who was sending out the dangerous noise was caught by police, but somehow escaped. A manhunt is currently in progress for Edward Walsh, a white man believed to be 30 years old, 6 feet tall, with messy blonde hair, fair skin, and dark green eyes. He was last seen wearing a white t-shirt, a black hoodie, black jeans, and red and white sneakers. If you see anyone matching this description, do not interact with them, and call 911. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention in the Florida State Police. Edward Walsh, the man who killed thousands by transmitting a high-pitched noise to electronic devices across the southeastern United States, has somehow created a highly contagious and deadly virus and released it into the air. Symptoms of this disease include extremely painful headaches, dehydration, fatigue, vomiting, and fever of over 103 degrees. Hospitals near Jacksonville have been overflowing with sick patients, and there is a very long wait. It is suggested that if you or one of your family members contracts this virus, you should remain away from Jacksonville hospitals and go to other nearby hospitals without such a long wait. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police. Several major explosions were reported in Orlando, and this is suspected as an attack from Edward Walsh, the man who transmitted a noise to electronic devices statewide and created a disease epidemic in Jacksonville. Police have still not found Walsh. For your safety, a mandatory statewide shelter-in-place order is now in effect. Lock all doors, windows, and go to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building, away from windows. A SWAT team has been called in to help with the manhunt for Edward Walsh. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.
Welcome to Missile Control Center. Please enter the password. Error in code line 720B. Password lock overridden. Launching nuclear warheads in 10 seconds.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. At 4:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a man who is believed to be Edward Walsh, who is the subject of a current manhunt in Florida, hacked into a missile control console, launching 10 extremely powerful nuclear warheads. The following cities will be impacted within 15 minutes. New York City, Washington, D.C., Atlanta, Jacksonville, Miami, Chicago, Minneapolis, Houston, Los Angeles, and Seattle. Anyone within a 250-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter immediately. More information will be provided later.
Confirmed nuclear strikes. Confirmed nuclear strikes. At 4:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the 10 nuclear warheads launched from a classified location detonated at their targets. Those cities have now been reduced to dust. If you are within 250 miles of the cities affected by these blasts, seek a fallout shelter immediately and clean yourself of any radiation. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. More information will be provided later. following is an emergency update to the nuclear strikes that decimated 10 U.S. cities. The suspect who launched the missiles has been caught and is subject to face the death penalty. Even though the threat is over, anyone within 250 miles of a nuclear blast zone are to remain in their fallout shelters until an all-clear is given.